Hello everyone, now this is one Seagate pension drive. We can see it's Seagate ST1000LM010 and the family is 55. And under the COM terminal, we can find out this is the error reported by the hard drive, and it shows SIM error 1009 and read-write error. With this error, and it's not possible to access the data error. So after users get the SIM error 1009, users need to enter the F3T prompt, and then we just go to the common functions, and there is one option under the common repair. So F3 SIM1009 fix. So users just simply click this one, and then in the log window we can see it's editing the SYS17A. Okay, so this is to edit this module and run right after the modification, then write this SYS. Then we just need to power off and power on, and we can go to the data arrow scanning, and then we can see it's possible now to access the data arrow. To make sure the full disk is accessed normally, we can check the ending part of the data arrow. So this is one very close LBA to its max LBA. So we just to enter this one, and then we can see okay, this part, this ending part of data arrow is also accessible. So this means we have now the full access to this pension drive. Next, we can go to the DFL DDP data recovery software, and this is SATA 0, so we select the SATA 0 and click DDP. Now we need to click this icon to set up one new project for data recovery. Next. So this is SATA 0 to be used as the source drive, and here we can use the file extraction and disk image. If the drive has good health and not having many bad sectors, we can try the file extraction and to list all the lost partitions and folders. Now here we can see the lost partition has been detected by the DDP data recovery software, and we double click, so we can see here are all the lost folders available for immediate data recovery. Thank you for watching the video.